If you have a complex assembly with many different components and configurations, sometimes your feature manager tree can become messy and difficult to navigate. However, SolidWorks provides tools to help you stay organized and quickly navigate through the feature tree to find the components you're looking for. One very useful tool is the Select tool. To access the Select tool, I'll first right-click anywhere on the Command Manager and open up the standard toolbar. This is the Select tool. If I click the drop-down menu, you can see the various filters that I can use to quickly make selections. The first option is Volume Select. With the Volume Select tool, I can box select a region in the graphics area and use the drag handles to create a 3D volume. All of the components within that volume are then automatically selected for me. You can also use the Select tool to quickly select all of the suppressed, hidden, or toolbox components, as well as any internal components that are enclosed by other components, or to select components that are mated to a particular component. I'll select all of the hidden components in this tree and show them at once. If you're trying to work on a specific part in your assembly, but other parts are interfering with your work, it might be helpful to hide all of the other components at once. To do this, I'll right-click on the part I'm trying to work on and select Isolate. This hides all of the other components, leaving just the part I'm interested in. I'll click on the Exit Isolate button, and the rest of the assembly is shown again. If you have a lot of parts in your feature tree, you might want to consider grouping some of them and adding them to a folder. I'll use the Select tool to select all of the toolbox components. Next, I'll right-click on one of the components and select Add to New Folder. And give the folder a name. When I expand the folder, you can see all the toolbox components have been added. I'll press Shift-C to collapse all the items on the feature tree.